If you like carrot cake, you are gonna love these vegan carrot cake cookies. They've got all of the spices and flavors and textures of a carrot cake in cookie form. They're even topped with this luscious vegan cream cheese icing. They have an absolutely perfect texture with crispy edges and a tender inside with crunchy pecans and tender shredded carrots. And they have an amazing flavor from cinnamon and ginger and nutmeg and cloves. I cannot wait for you to try them. If you like this recipe, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first things first, we gotta grate those carrots. You can do this with a box grater too, but I'm using my food processor because who's got the time? In a large bowl, combine flour with cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, cloves, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix your sugars with a little bit of oil, vanilla extract, and flax meal mixed with water. Add those wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix well. At this point, you're gonna have a batter that feels a little bit dry, but don't panic, you're doing great. Add the carrots and the pecans and mix again, and you'll see that those shredded carrots add enough moisture that you'll end up with a cohesive ball of somewhat sticky dough. Now roll up 1-inch balls of that dough, arrange them on your baking sheet, and then use your hand to flatten them out a little bit. Now pop those in the oven to bake while you make the icing. For the icing, add some vegan cream cheese to a bowl and then use a fork to soften it up a little bit. Now add powdered sugar, non-dairy milk, and a little bit of vanilla extract, and mix that up really well. You want to really mix and whisk until you don't have any lumps remaining. When your cookies are done, let them cool on the baking sheet, and when they're completely cool, you're ready to slather them with that icing. Just look how delicious those look. They are absolutely addictive. Check out this amazing texture inside. Now, because of the cream cheese icing, you are gonna wanna store these in the fridge, but they'll keep for like a week that way. These cookies are just absolutely perfect, with crisp edges and a tender inside, and that creamy, tangy cream cheese icing and all of the spices in the dough. Ugh, they're just delicious. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these vegan carrot cake cookies. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!